Looking for the best Wii U chargers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 Wii U chargers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, PDP Energizer 2X Charging System. Pros: very stable charging base, controllers seat securely, clear charging indicator lights. Charges 2 Wii U remotes at the same time. Rechargeable battery packs are included. Priced well enough to purchase more if needed for additional controllers. Cons: USB connector only, no wall plug included. Charging contacts must be kept clean to ensure good connection. Bottom line: a reliable dual charger that includes everything needed to keep Wii U remotes powered up. At number 2, Pegley USB Charger Kit. Pros: docks Wii U gamepad securely and provides reliable charging. Plugs into Wii U charging port, or any USB port. Bundle includes several cosmetic extras like screen protectors. Cons: USB charger cable is problematic and fails frequently. Bottom line: a value-added accessory for the Wii U that gives the gamepad its own docking station. At number 1, Nico Charge Base Pro. Pros: lightweight yet sturdy charging base that provides rapid charging for 2 Wii U Pro controllers. Bright charging indicator over each charging slot. As a separate charging station, prevents gamepad from discharging power, which occurs when charging Pro via the Wii U console. Cons: has a manual, not automatic, on-off switch. Must place magnetic dongles, included, onto Pro controllers in order to work. Bottom line: superbly designed charger base for the often unwieldy Wii U Pro controllers. You'll save space and charging hassle. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.